Welcome to the South Africa portal. In this video, we will show you how to apply online for your Smart ID with ease. Before we continue, please make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Are you wondering how to apply for a Smart ID online? The Department of Home Affairs is proud to present eHome Affairs to enable you, as a South African citizen by birth, to apply to utilize the online services. eHome Affairs allows the following: submit ID and passport applications online, make online payments for applications, make bookings where allowed. Note: a branch visit is mandatory to capture and / or verify your biometric details, i.e. photo, fingerprints and signature. You can also finalize your application at any Home Affairs office. No appointment is required in this tutorial. We will show you how to seamlessly apply from home. The end goal is to complete your application for a Smart ID card. First, visit the eHome Affairs website and register. Fill in your personal details and create a password. Answer the security questions to complete your registration. Next, check your phone for a one-time PIN, OTP. Enter the OTP on the website and click Submit. Once registered, you will receive another OTP to log into your profile. Now, fill out the application form for your Smart ID card. Be sure to upload all the necessary supporting documents. After completing your application, you can choose to pay online. Alternatively, you can pay at a bank branch. The Smart ID card costs are 140. Don't forget to make a booking if you're going to a Home Affairs enabled bank office. No booking is needed for Home Affairs offices. Take your barcoded confirmation letter and your ID book, if available, when visiting the bank. Finally, print your confirmation letter for your records. You'll receive an SMS once your Smart ID card is ready for collection. To recap: register online, confirm your OTP, complete the application, upload your documents, and make a payment. Now you're ready to apply for your Smart ID. Put these steps into action today. eHome Affairs allows you to complete your application and save it, should you wish to submit it at a later stage. For more information and to access the Smart ID portal, click the link in the description. Thank you for watching. If this video helps you, make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. For more updates on universities, fit colleges, nursing, jobs, bursaries, internships, learnerships, apprenticeships, careers, government updates, opportunities, scholarships, and lifestyle in South Africa and beyond, kindly visit www.southafricaportal.com.